When starting a condo investment, some investors would consider so many things, leading to analysis paralysis, while others tend to overlook the most important factors and end up focusing on price alone. So paano mo ba talaga malalaman if a property is a good investment? I'm Edric Magwan, and this is The Real Deal! As an investor, your goal should always be to get the best value and the best return on your investment. At the end of the day, kailangan sulit at kikita ka. Don't buy a property just because mababa lang ang contract price or affordable ang monthly down payment. Also, don't overthink and try to get every little thing perfect na sa totoo lang hindi naman nagmamatter as much in the grand scheme of things. So to get the best value and return, just focus on these three things. First and most important is of course location, specifically its accessibility and growth potential. The key question here is what will drive more demand for the properties, which in turn will boost the value long term. Is the condo development situated near major business districts? Are there upcoming infrastructure developments in the area? Will there be a lot of office or commercial developments in the foreseeable future? Are these developments committed already or merely speculation? To find out which areas have high growth potential, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. Second, you have to look at the developer's track record. This isn't about quantity. This is more about the quality and consistency of execution across all projects. Minsan kasi, may mga flagship projects sila, pero yung ibang projects pala nahuhuli in terms of quality, design, and overall living experience. If you've been hearing major quality issues and a lot of bad experiences from the unit owners, these could be red flags. Are the structures strongly built? Maraming takot mag-invest near the fault line. Pero sa totoo lang, it's really not about how far or how close you are to the fault line. It's more about how strong the foundation or structure is built, no matter where you are in Metro Manila. That's why it's important that you choose a developer that prioritizes this. You too can build a strong foundation on your real estate investing when you hit that subscribe button. Third, you have to look at property maintenance. This is, I think, the most underrated aspect when it comes to condo investments. It's not something you actively think about at the time of purchase, but always think long-term. Hindi lang dapat maganda ang building pagkaka-turnover pa lang. Kailangan well-maintained yan through the years. A good sign is when the developer has its own dedicated property maintenance arm versus outsourcing it to a third party. This means that they are dedicated to help maintain what they have built and uphold the highest standards of quality. You get the most out of your real estate investment by not just starting right away, but more importantly, by starting it the right way. If you need help in getting the property with the best value and return, send me a message on my Facebook or Instagram, or sign up for a free consultation with me via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.